Good morning. Happy Thursday and welcome to today's edition of Toggle's Daily Video Insights. My name is Jan. I'm the CEO and co-founder of Toggle. And if you like this content, would like to see more of it, please subscribe to our YouTube channel or check us out on toggle.global, where you can also test drive the first intelligent investment dashboard. Just download Toggle Copilot, give it a spin. Today, we're going to focus on Kimberly-Clark. The entry point indicators, which is one way Toggle monitors when a price action suggests that stock price might have gone too far into the negative territory, suggest in this case that this might have happened with Kimberly-Clark. And so in particular, what it notices is that over the 21 similar occasions in the past when it was this stretched, the stock subsequently went up 4.8%, at least half the time over the following 3 months. So as you can see here, the entry point around 132.67, again, the paradigm certainly will not apply, or the odds of it being correct will have been substantially diminished below 129.24. And so you have to keep that in mind. But the upside here is, at least again, on the projections based on these episodes, around 140.41. The regularity with which this kind of sell-offs happen is quite encouraging, because it really does show that this happens both through recessions as well as expansions. You can see that you get a sell-off of this magnitude really quite often. And so again, this is not a huge move that Toggle is highlighting here, but nonetheless, it seems like it's reasonably predictable. And again, if we go down further and look at the range of outcomes as well as horizons, you can see that while the 3-month one is the one where the relationship seems to be strongest, there is a possibility of quite a bit more run up also over a 6-month horizon. And finally, as we sometimes do, it's worth looking at the scatter plot as well. And here you can see the really tremendously compelling convexity in the trade, because you can occasionally get outcomes of 20% plus, whereas the downside has been substantially lower. Here in the left side, you see the skew in the distribution of returns, which is meaningfully shifted to the upside relative to just the baseline return for Kimberly-Clark. So this is quite a good pattern, definitely worth paying attention to. Have a look, have a read, see how it fits with your view of the company. But I would encourage you to at least go through the insight on your own and have a think as to what it might mean. So much for Kimberly-Clark. In the daily brief today, we also discuss how latest indicators are showing that the economy really has been sapped of strength. And so the stimulus checks, which are still being debated, will be very welcome news for the economy. Thanks for your attention. And we will not see you on Friday, but we will resume next week. Thanks again, and see you soon.